Welcome back, Pure Structure Traders and YouTube, for another weekly trading recap for you guys. Again, we go over the trades we have done on S&P 500 and also gold on the micros. Give you guys a little bit of idea of the types of trades we've been taking and how to slowly build an account from a small balance into a larger balance and then withdraw from that. Again, with these trades, our goal is to teach you how to have discipline and patience in trading and how to trade consistently. A specific strategy doesn't have to be multiple strategies here. It could be just one strategy at a time, trading consistently every single day, and trying to work on your performance as you trade and making sure that you don't emotionally trade in the markets as you're trading your sessions. So again, we're going to be going over here on the bigger chart for S&P 500, giving you guys what we've done so far on the market for S&P, and then going into some of the trades that we've done on the micros for S&P, and then we'll move over to gold, give you guys a backdrop of what's been happening so far for this week, and then go over some of the trades that we've done on the micros gold as well. So with that, guys, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, we have been moving to the upside. Nice support that we had so far for this week, and again, you can see we've been grinding back to the upside, pushing up somewhere around those 44.98s as we touched that today and came right back down. So again, if you have not watched the market analysis videos, definitely recommended to watch those before you jump into the markets. They'll give you some great areas to look for buyers or sellers to step in the market. But again, we are looking for that support to come down here right around 44.75, 75, maybe get a nice support bounce from there. Again, our next target is going to be somewhere around those 4500s to about 4506, and then above that 4538 as the next target level up above. So again, with the bullishness on S&P, let's go ahead and move over to some of the trades that we've taken so far this week on S&P 500. So again, moving over here, let's pull this over to the right a little bit, give you guys an idea of what we've looked at. So for S&P 500, we started off somewhere right around these, the micros started off somewhere right around the 22nd here. We had a nice long opportunity right on the top, a little bit more risky, but right off our level. Nice bounce there, 41.25 into 44, 43.25. Nice opportunity for a long there, 2 points there. And we can see we took a couple more longs, 44, 56.50, nice long into 44, 57.75. Could have took a little bit more, but we had a little bit of a higher entry as we try to get that long opportunity, which is okay. But again, want to stay away from trying to chase it. This one felt like more of a chase, so we just kind of let that one go quicker. We did have another long opportunity right around these 68.75s to try to break up higher, going up into 44.70.25. Nice opportunity to push up there. And then we had a couple more trades here. We had a short opportunity right off these 44.82.50s, and then it took us out, kind of pulled that stop on us right around 44.85.50. So we got stopped out there. We had another long opportunity, 44.85 and then 44.84.75 after we got stopped out. Nice one right into those 44.88s and then 44.90s up at our next level right over here at resistance. So this was a good long opportunity, but again, we tried that short right off a level of resistance that we had right here, trying to go against it. Fade wasn't working out, popped up against us, took us out, which is okay. Tried that opportunity but didn't get it, but kept our head in the game. Had a nice long opportunity there. So we'll take a look at some of the other trades. Zooming into this, we did have two long opportunities here at the bottom, 44.84.75 and 44.83.50, and we did get taken out. We got stopped out on those long opportunities, moving up right here, 44.83.50 and then 44.82.75. Those were the stop loss that we had there on the long. We did try to go for a short opportunity after that as the price was not moving up. We had a short 44.82.50. We did get stopped out on that one into 44.84.75, which is okay. Again, that just didn't work out. We're trying to fade that market. We're right in between. And then we had a couple more long opportunities here, 1, 2, 3, 4 lots, 44.84.75. 44.84.75, 44.83.75, and then 44.86.75. You can see where we took some profit. 86.75 on 3, and then 87.75 on the fourth one there. So we covered our losses and took a little bit more on those trades that we took there. Now, moving forward a little bit on S&P 500, I believe we took only one trade today. We did have a short opportunity, 44.8550, and then we got it down to 44.8450. So with the fade was a riskier idea to try to push right at this mid level. Took some quick profit, and then it shot right back up. So we did have some good opportunities to trade on S&P 500. Now let's move over into gold to give you guys idea of what we looked at on gold this week. All right, so pulling up this gold chart here for you guys. So for the week, we did start to move up right around the 22nd. We moved up into resistance right around these 1812s. We pushed that top, got a nice double top, and the market started to try to pull down from this area. But for the beginning part of the week, we did have nice bullish movement, and right now you can see we're having a little bit of bearish movement, trying to move into the support right around 1782.3, then maybe 1776.3. So again, if you guys have not watched the market analysis on our levels for the London session, definitely recommend you guys watch those videos before you guys start to trade. But again, we had nice bullishness, and then we started to move a little bit bearish, and we are looking for the market to come into support. So with that, let's take a look at what we've done so far here on the gold markets for the micros. So moving into the micros gold, we did have some opportunities of trade. We started on the 23rd. We had a nice short opportunity, as you can see. We had resistance coming in right between these 08 to 07s, and we had a nice bearish candle that kind of printed. We went short right off that level, 1807.7, and we got it down to about 1805.4. So that was a good opportunity to try to short this back down. And then from there, you can see we had some bullish opportunities to trade. We had 1805.3, 1805.3. We had a couple lots here, 1805.3, and then we got also right off those. We got stopped out, I believe, on the first couple lots, 1804.1 and 1804.4. We got taken out on those, but we had some other opportunities, 1804.9, 1804.9. We got it up into 1806.4 on both of those lots. So we did try, but we got stopped out early on. It came down a little bit lower than we wanted it to, and then it popped back up. So we got some trade opportunities there off of the longs. Moving over to see, we then had opportunities to trade, I believe, for today as well. We had a short opportunity here as the market pulled from our level 1800, started to drop down. 1796, we got it down to 1795.4. Probably could have pushed this even lower as we were targeting 1792, but on the smaller account, only wanted to take a couple ticks and move it down. The bigger account, we got a little bit more on that. 1789.7, 1787.8, and 1787.7 for the long opportunities. This was a nice move up. Did have to let it come down a little bit more. Took a little bit of heat, and then it popped right back up. 1789.8, 1789.8, and then 1786.9 as the target levels that we hit. And then we took another long opportunity right off the 1788.1, 1788.5, but we got stopped out here as it moved down to 1788.2 at a tighter stop, and the market started to kind of move down and turned against us there, and then kept continuing lower. So that's okay. We did take some good trade opportunities, and we did also take some losses, but again, kept our head in the game, made sure that we stayed disciplined, took a certain amount of trades that we wanted to. Again, if you're struggling with trading, over trading, you should make sure you're not trading more than about 5 trades a day. I'd say between 3 to 5 trades is usually the max cap you want to have. Again, if you're struggling with consistency as well, you want to make sure that you review your trades after, make sure you can discipline yourself and understand, are you performing well? Is it the entries that you need to work on? Are you trading from your levels? Are you sticking with your ideas? Or are you just trading within levels that you're creating as the market moves? You want to be able to focus on working at performance rather than trying to work at the actual outcome of the trade, because the performance is what's going to make the outcome better. As you continue to perform better, you will continue to see the money start to come in. But if you're so focused on outcome of the trade, you're going to start to notice that you get real emotional when you're trading, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to let your emotions take over you. You want to make sure that you stay disciplined and patient, and you want to make sure that your mind you're in the right mindset. If you're not in the right mindset when it comes to trading, you got to step away from the computer, give yourself a little bit of a breather, and then maybe come back maybe after 10-15 minutes after your mind is settled down, and you can rethink, and think with the logical part of your brain versus the emotional part. But again, let's go ahead and take a look here at what we have so far for this week on the trading journal. Now, last week we got a little bit sick, so we didn't trade too much towards the end of the week. But let's go over what we did have. So we have a couple winning trades, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losing trades so far for this midweek. And you can total number of trades we have is about 20 so far in the midweek. Total number of winning trades, 13. Total number of losing trades, you can see 6. I counted 7 back up here because I still count this scratch for losing trades, so I counted 7 there. So total number of trade win rate, we got 65%, trade lose rate 35%, average winning trade $15.15, average losing trade $11.71, largest winning trade $40, largest losing trade $16. So again, we started the balance this week through $367.50, which again, we didn't trade too much towards the end of the week because I got a little bit sick. But right now we have a closing profit of $103.55. So account balance is sitting at $471.05. I want to try to push it to somewhere around $550, maybe $600 towards the end of this week. So we'll see if we can actually get somewhere around that area as we start to gradually push for a little bit more trades, maybe a little bit more lots, but doing pretty well. You can see again 66% 68% win rate and 32% losing rate in the pie chart here. So again, not so bad. Doing pretty good actually, but we have taken a little bit more losses than we wanted to. So again, we'll go ahead and take a look at our journal, make sure that as we're performing, we're making sure we perform our strategy as much as possible and not veer away from that. But again, that wraps it up pretty much for S&P 500 and also gold, the micros that we've been trading. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Now, if you're struggling to find consistency and success in trading, again, feel free to become a member with us, take some coaching sessions, maybe a coaching program with us. We would love to help you guys find consistency and success in trading. Hopefully these videos help you guys out a lot. Again, you guys are free to ask the questions needed here on YouTube. We'd love to respond to you guys. If you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. Take care.